All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is where you are, people. Hey, before we get started, what I'd like for you to do is click on the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, okay? Also, click on the notification bell. So when you click on that bell, you get all my important updates. And today, what I'm bringing to you today is the Cash Cow Program postcard. This is the hot new postcard, people. Look how beautiful it is, all right? And this is just the front. Look, your stamp will go right here. All right, now this could be a 5x7 or 6x9 postcard. Those little postcards that you get a regular size, like I think it's 4x8 or 4x7 or something like that, they get lost in the mail, but not this. Right here, people, is where your lead will go. When you get started, you're gonna get abundance of leads. These are names, addresses, and phone numbers, cell phone numbers of people that's looking for direct mail opportunities. Okay, now here's the back of the postcard. Look at that. Look how beautiful this is. Now we will help you get a website where your website. Now here's the website that we have: cashcowprogram.com. That's www.cashcowprogram.com, or you could give me a call, 346-704-1754. I could even put a barcode on here, whatever your website is, okay? Do that and go from there. Now, when you go to cashcowprogram.com, you get to select from over 45 different postcards and flyers. So many opportunities that I created, maybe about 5 of other programs that I'm involved in. Okay, so go to cashcowprogram.com. That's www.cashcowprogram.com. You can give me a call, 346-704-1754, and look at the postcards, look at the flyers we have there that's going to allow you to make mailbox cash money from home. Okay, so I can design something with this, whatever program that you click. I will be designing a flyer or postcard for that particular one, personalized with your information. Okay, have a great day, evening, night, whatever time it is where you are. Remember, your thoughts determine what you want, but your actions determine what you get. You know, I hear a lot of people saying that knowledge is power. Okay, that is not true, because there are a lot of people that have degrees that's not even working in their field. So it's not that knowledge is power, it's the application of the knowledge that you have. If you are doing something about it, okay, that's why I have the acronym of MUSH, M-U-S-H. That means mail until something happens. If you simply mail this postcard, okay, you simply mail this postcard, you're gonna make some real mailbox cash money. I'm talking cash money or U.S. postal money orders. I look forward to working with you. Have a great day, evening, night. Remember, your thoughts determine what you want, but your action determine what you get. Go to www.cashcowprogram.com. That's www.cashcowprogram.com. Give me a call, 346-704-1754. If I don't answer the phone and no one answers the phone, just leave us a detailed message with your information and which flyer or postcard program you wish to start with. God bless.